It's Sunday, April 12th. I just spent the morning working on the yellow bike, and I set up a test setup that I use for checking spark coils. And I'll show you the setup, and I'll show you the test coils, my test coils being tested. And then I did a whole bunch of swapping parts to prove that the yellow bike's coils were actually healthier than the two coils that I have in my test setup that I use when I'm running ignitions systems on bikes using the test setup. So bottom line is the coils off the yellow bike are in great shape. They throw a better spark than my coils that I use in my test setup when I use it to run, use it to test spark plugs and stuff like that. So, but then I forgot to video the end results, so you don't actually see the coils firing. But let's just say that I proved that the coils on the yellow bike are in really good condition. So I went ahead and changed it out to the vape system, and then I got it installed, and then I had to call it a day. So I haven't yet tried to fire it up. So that's where we are. I always look to the left because the camera's way over on the left, and I forget to look over here. I gotta look over here. I'm looking over there now. Good morning. Beautiful day out there. And the yellow bike is still on the lift. When we last left our hero, me, it was Friday, and I was talking about what I was going to do on Saturday, which was yesterday, and yet here it is, Sunday. Didn't do anything yesterday. Okay, so let's go over here and do Dad Joke of the Day. This is another one of those that doesn't have a cartoon. It just has that silly maze drawing. How do evil spirits stay in such great shape? They exorcise. That's cute. Okay, Sunday, April 12th. All right, bad Dad Joke of the Day. Okay, I have the tank off. I have detanked the bike. The bike is completely untanked. And tankless. We have a tankless motorcycle. Let's pull these coils. Okay, let's take the camera over here. And the good news is that the clamps did have spacer washers in between the clamps, like so that they did not squeeze and damage the coils. The coils are in physically good condition. Interesting little oil on this one. Doesn't mean anything, I don't think. So anyway, I'm going to check these now. These are good ignition wires. They're nice solid wire. And this is most probably a 5K ohm NKG resistor cap, because frankly these look like I made these when this bike was last in here ever so long ago. Okay, so let's put together a test setup and check these coils. I'll be right back. Well, here we are. I'd say that maybe 1/3 of you guys out there are familiar with Rube Goldberg. He used to put together cartoons of really weird machines that he would visualize. They were funny. It's a cute cartoon. Anyway, this is sort of a Rube Goldberg test setup. And this is a black box from a vape system. A couple of 6-volt coils wired to that. And then this wires would normally go down to the mag pickup unit at the bottom of the bike. but I've instead plugged in this pulse generator. So with this guy is pretending to be this guy, and he's firing this black box, which is hooked up to this battery over here. And these plugs are hooked to this little platform here, which is hooked to ground right over here. So we're hooked up exactly as if it were on a motor cycle. So those are my test coils. These are the coils out of the bike, and I'm going to test them next. But right now, I'm going to show you a close-up of these spark plugs, and I'm going to close the door and turn off the lights so you get a better view. So stand by while I close the door and turn off the lights. Okay, these are my this is my test system using the spark plugs out of the bike, by the way. Those are the yellow bike spark plugs. That's pretty good spark. The one on the right, let's block the light a little bit. Interesting. I think that's better. Bottom line is that my test setup, I'm going to get myself 2 new coils for my test setup, but still, it's working pretty good. Now, what we're going to do now is wire in the coils from the yellow bike. Okay, we're going to wire these in back here and do the test over again. Okay, just for grins to see how they run. We've got somewhat of a baseline using my 2 coils plug. Okay, so I've got the yellow bike coils back here in the back, wired into the test setup and running to the new spark plugs. So let's turn off the lights and see how they go. Come on. And that's where I dropped the ball. I swear I got video of. It was gorgeous. And I know I got video, but the video ain't there. So anyway, the yellow bike coils just, it was beautiful. I mean, you could read a book by those sparks. So, end of test. Sorry, no video. And yellow bike coils are just fine.